What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. I'm gonna do a quick running of this thing. We're not gonna have a full running of this thing. I just want to run it and give you guys an idea of how fast it is and how this thing handles. So it comes with 2 batteries, and the batteries are lithium ion. They're 650 milliamp hours. The batteries are the equivalent of a LiPo pack that's 2S. Let me take the body pins out so y'all can check out what's under the hood. So they're boasting that this thing is hobby grade, and for the most part I guess it is hobby grade. It does have a removable battery and all, little motor in here. I think this is a 360 motor. We have a heat sink right here. The button here has to be pressed in for a couple seconds before it turns on, and the same thing to turn it off. It has a little servo here and all. So definitely hobby grade parts and all. Spare parts are available on Amazon, it says, and this thing has ball bearings throughout, so that's another good thing. It's also splash proof, so this thing can be splashed with water. You can run it in the rain probably, but you're not to submerge it in water, so it'll probably break if you take it in some deep puddles. There is a little spot here on the ESC there for some lights to plug in, and we have little light holders here for lights. No oil can be put in these shocks. They're just spring shocks, and the tires feel a little squishy. I guess a decent quality for this size vehicle. Again, 1/18 scale, and it has this transmitter here, which looks very familiar because this is the same transmitter that comes with the old style GP Toys, and this is also compatible with the GP Toys original protocol, so you can drive this little vehicle with the larger transmitter from GP Toys. It also comes with decal stickers. There's a film on top of this body here that I never remove. I always keep that on. It kind of protects the body for a little while. The only assembly you have to do though is this rear fin here. So the spoiler has to be added on, and there's only 3 screws that go in the back there. The transmitter only takes 2 batteries, double A's. So I'm going to hold this button down and turn it on. And so let's run it. Let's start off on the slowest speed. So this is the slowest speed here. So a small kid that's not that good with motor skills should be able to drive this thing around with no problem. Still fast enough to have fun though. So it seems pretty much impossible to flip it over at this speed here. So let's try it on a higher speed. Wow, so this thing is pretty fast. I could barely get this thing to go straight how fast it is. Does a lot of sliding. So that's full speed there. Let's bring it back again. Full speed there. Wow, I'm surprised at how fast this thing is. Not enough grip out here to have it do any wheelies, but I'm not sure if it has that much speed to do a wheelie. But it's definitely fast though. Okay, let's see how fast it backs up. It's pretty fast in reverse. So let's look at reverse again. So this thing is pretty fast. This is the little Rampage from Haiboxing. I think that's how you say the name. And it's pretty cool. Nice little off-road 4-wheel drive vehicle. So that's it. A quick running of this little guy. I like it. Thanks for watching.